a chilly morning here, so I am in my hoodie. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. I'm starting a little weekend vlog. I have a pretty chill weekend planned. Basically the entire month of October I was away like every single weekend, and so this is my first weekend back at home for a couple of days, and it's like my only one for another couple weeks. So I am going to be making the most of it. It's about 12:30 right now. I actually went to a ballet class this morning, which is one of my absolute favorite ways to start a Saturday. And now I'm gonna go meet my friend at a cafe, and I'm just gonna do like some computer work and little bits and bobs there and try to like prep basically for everything else that I need to do this weekend or that I want to do this weekend. And I'm also probably going to squeeze in a little bit of time to read because I don't think it'll take me that long to kind of sort my life out. So I'm going to be reading as well. One of my main goals for this weekend is I have been reading a book for so long, like literally like 2 months, and it needs to finish. Like it's literally a book I've read before too, so I just need to like finish it. It's Lord of Shadows by Cassandra, so it's a pretty hefty book, and yeah, I have like 200 pages left, so that is going to be done this weekend if it kills me. Okay, it's been a while. Today was actually such a fun day. It wound up being a lot longer than I expected. We hung out at the cafe for a really long time. I like updated all of my money stuff for like finishing up the end of October and like starting November, so basically just from the past week. And then I was just clearing my emails, like doing some like admin stuff that I needed to do. So I felt really good about that. I didn't manage to read though, which is like the only reason I went was to go and read, but I needed to get this stuff done, so it's no big deal. We went to the mall afterwards, just stopped by. I didn't buy anything, but Mackenzie did. She got some really cute shoes that I also may purchase because I tried them on also because she and I have the same size feet and they were really cute, and I need some new shoes for work. I have been curled up on the sofa for the last couple hours finishing Lord of Shadows. I finally finished it. It's literally taken me forever to get through this book. It's just so long, but when I tell you, like, I love like the last 150 to 100 pages of a book. They just like, everything is like building up, like it's getting all climactic, and it's just like so exciting. It's like, oh my gosh, all this hard work reading this whole book, and like this is why I showed up. Like these last 100 pages are why I read the book. They're, oh, it's so good. This is so sad though. The end of this book is so emotional, heart-wrenching, and I remember that the last time that I read it, I think that's why it's taken me so long to get to the end. I reread it. I've actually been dreading like the last 3 pages because I knew what happened, and I was like, I don't want to relive that, but I just did. And do people still say feels? Was that like, that feels like fangirl circa 2016, but like it gives me all the feels. Anyway, since I've been sat and reading that for the past couple hours, I'm very much in a reading mood now. So I started reading Red Rising on my commute into work the other day. I'm really excited about reading it, and I just kind of feel like maybe I should just read the whole book tonight or this weekend. Like, it's only 400 pages, and I just read 200 with this book. So like, I think it's doable. It is 11 o'clock, so maybe not all tonight, but maybe tomorrow. Also, I bought a Hatch alarm clock, which you've probably seen if you've been on TikTok, or I don't know. It's basically a sunrise alarm clock, but it also does like night routines. So I have it going with my nighttime setting right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has like a fireplace thing going on right now. And I love it. I'm not usually a white noise fan, but I love this sound. It's so relaxing to me. So as the evening goes on, this is gonna like do a sunset. So it's obviously like more of this like pinky white right now, but it's gonna change and get more like red and like dusk like. And here is Red Rising. Like I said, I think I'm just gonna stay up and read this for at least a little while because that. Tomorrow though, I have to do such a Sunday reset. Like, I have so much that I need to do, like in terms of just like having my apartment clean, because I feel like it's just not clean at the minute. Like, I need to wash lots and lots of sheets, lots and lots of laundry. I'm pretty sure I haven't washed my clothes in like 3 weeks. I have no more underwear or socks, and it's actually becoming a problem. My kitchen is a mess. Just like, I need a hard reset, and it's gonna happen tomorrow. And then I'm gonna have a bath, and I'm gonna read my book, and I'm gonna go grocery shopping. And it should be the only time I have to go grocery shopping this month, because I'm gonna be home after that. So hopefully, oh, I have to meal plan. Ugh, there's just so much to do. Good morning, you guys. It is a chilly morning here, so I am in my hoodie, which is literally the comfiest, coziest thing ever. And I actually like didn't have this last year, so I got this for Christmas last year. But last winter I didn't bring it with me to school because it was just like too big to pack. But when I moved up here after like in the summer, I was like, oh my gosh, no, this is gonna be perfect on chilly mornings, and I'm getting a lot of use out of it, a lot more use than I ever got out of it in Texas. So very nice and warm this morning. I just realized that the clocks changed today, and like I slept in anyway, and I woke up at like 9-ish, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at me, I'm waking up so early. And now I just realized it's because it was 10. I have about an hour before I need to go to church, and so I want to make a meal plan for the next couple weeks so that I can go to the grocery store right after church and go and like do all my grocery shopping and stuff. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I'm all ready to head out now. I've just put a load of laundry on. I did all of my sheets because I have a lot of laundry to do today. I have to do my sheets, I have to do all my clothes, and I have to do my towels. So there's a lot to get in there today, so I set it off already. I have just finished meal planning for the week. I just do it on my iPad just because it's easier if I like change my mind, and I do it for like the next 2 weeks, whereas in my bullet journal I only plan for the next 1 week. So it's all written out right there, what I'm eating for the next couple weeks and my whole list, so I have that. My mom has also just sent me some ingredients for something that I want to try to make. So yeah, now it's time to head out and go grocery shopping and do all that stuff. Okay, I just got to Wegmans, so I'm about to go in and do all of my grocery shopping, but I also just realized that there's a Home Goods right here, and I'm like, do I go buy some like Christmas decorations? I think I might have to. Everything. This is such a problem. Okay, I'm back in my car now. I just went into Home Goods. They had so many cute Christmassy things. I did buy one thing. I could not resist this Christmassy pillow. It's so cute. It was $30, and I'm a little bit mad at myself for spending that much money on one pillow, but I was like, I cannot pass it up. Like, it is just the cutest thing, and I need it in my life. I am such like a Christmas person. Like, I don't really mind, like I decorated like a little bit for like Halloween, but it was more just like fall decorations. I had some like pumpkins around my apartment and stuff, but like I want to go all out for Christmas. I love Christmas. I feel like the joy that it brings is just the best thing ever. So that is why I bought this already, because I'm like, I have to spread out my Christmas purchases. I will have to buy a Christmas tree at some point. I think I'm just gonna get like a fake, like half height one. Like, I don't want to have something huge because obviously my apartment is not that big, but I think I need a Christmas tree. Like, I don't think I can go through the month of December without having a Christmas tree. Okay, I just got back from the shops. I just put another load of laundry in and moved my laundry along because I actually spent a lot longer out than I expected because I went to Home Goods. But I did bring everything up. I am a one-trip kind of girl. I refuse to take multiple trips, like, so I'm always like huffing and puffing by the time I get up to my apartment, but I did it, and now I'm gonna unpack everything, put stuff away, and I haven't had any lunch yet, so I'm gonna do something about that. Now, and I'm still in the midst of cleaning. I just got my sheets out of the washer and I made my bed, and I swear that there is like nothing better than a freshly made bed with brand new sheets. It seems so nice. I also discovered that I've had my mattress topper on like the wrong way round this whole time, so that's like 3 months of me sleeping, and I'm always like, why is it like all like bunched up, like what's going on? It's because I literally had it on the wrong ways. Now it fits perfectly. I really just like have no idea what went through my brain when I put it on the first time. But I also took some things off of my nightstand, and this is what it looks like now, and I think it just looks so cute. Like obviously it's like very minimal, but it looks so nice. My desk now has a light and my other clock, because both of those were originally over there, but now the hatch does both of those. So now this also looks really put together, and I'm very happy with that. I just had to go all the way back to Wegmans because I didn't buy the right sausage meat and I forgot a spice. So I try to do it all, sometimes it just doesn't work out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so like I said, I had to run back to the grocery store to buy a different pack of sausage meat, because the sausage meat that I got was like Italian sausage, which I don't really like, and I'm trying to make sausage rolls because it's bonfire night tonight in the UK, so I feel like I needed to like take it back to my roots, you know, and have something English. And also I just have been craving sausage rolls for a while, so I was gonna make them, and then I bought the wrong meat and I didn't have the right, basically my plans just fell apart. But now I have the correct meat. I have all these brand new spices that are really expensive, so, but they're gonna like help me make more sausage rolls in the future, so like it's okay. I have lots of those, well, I guess they're herbs anyway. I have puff pastry that is being defrosting, and I'm hoping that I can hurry up because I know that this stuff like molds really quickly, and it's been defrosting for like about an hour, so like I need to be quick about this now. So I'm gonna put all of my spices into here. Like I said, this is just like plain pork basically. I think it's like a breakfast pork sausage actually, this one, which is like really mild. I wanted to get like just straight sausage meat and I couldn't find any, so I got this one. And then I'm gonna add oregano, thyme, sage, rosemary, and then salt and pepper, and then we're gonna stick them in our little puff pastry and put them in the oven. When I don't have a rolling pin, so swell is gonna do. I did wash this before, by the way, the outside. Quite a lot later now. I'm not sure when the last time I updated you guys was, but I took a shower, like chilled out for a little bit, had some dinner. My boyfriend and I were just playing the game for a little bit. I was playing Legends of Zelda. It's right here. It's a game he got me for my birthday. It's called The Legend of Zelda, The Breath of the Wind. And honestly, it's kind of frustrating me because I'm not like the best at games. But it's fun, it's good. I just like could not get past where I was, and it was like, oh my gosh. But he helped me through, so that was nice. And yeah, so I'm gonna head to bed now. I think I'm gonna read my book for a little bit, turn on sleep mode on my hatch, and yeah, just call it a day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.